Hello guys, Classic Sonic here, and today I'm gonna be reacting to is Conroy Cat interrupts doggies talking and Conroy Cat and the Nintendo GameCube logo madness. Alright, now let's react to this one. Okay. Now the next one is I don't know who are you yelling at, Conroy. Your eye. This is getting worse in the video. So it's the outtakes, huh? I think this is getting out of hand. Okay, thank you, Mari. What was that? Super Mario Cartoon Mania's Text the Robot Extended Version. Oh, don't do that, dude! Text the Robot 3. Here comes Doggy. I'm having nightmares with Doggy. It's already early to get hot Kool-Aid. Well, I don't know what to do, but sorry. Spyro, I said no. Go back to your room and watch A Bug's Life or Cars or something. That should be your two best movies, Spyro, okay? Spyro, that is not a nice word. Apologize this instant. Conroy Cat can't answer Abby's question. Alright, let's start the video. Hold up, guys. Now, next. Uh-oh, not again. The last one. And then I'll be done reacting for the day. My eyes! Finally, I'm done now. Sorry, guy in the wrong camera. Hello everyone, this is Classic Sonic here, and today I'm gonna be reacting to is Dark Conroy Cat, Conroy Cat's big mistake again. And also Conroy Cat and Abby arguing because they're in a new planet. My arm is itchy. Now, next is, it's not her fault, Conroy, it's not her fault. Oh, you are? Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Comment if you want to see more videos. What, Mari? And also, do you guys like my review? I'll see you guys next time. Bye. He's not whining Conroy or Doggy. I don't know what that is. Uh-oh. Okay. Now, the next one is... Don't say anything. Conroy Cat and the Nintendo GameCube logo madness. Alright, let's react to this one now. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Hold up. My ears are itchy. This looks bad. Ooh. Okay. I think that's it for now. Alright, Spyro. I need you to watch the red, scary THX logo that I need you to do. It's because it will hunt down your body and it will appear to you and hurt your ears, your eyes, and your brain. It will give you nightmares, and you will hear the red THX logo. When you see it, will mess with you in your dreams. Oh, yes, you are. Come here, you. Just wait until you see Spyro. Oh, yes, you are. Yes. 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 Oh, well, well, well. Look who we have here. You ready to watch the red THX logo? Good. Make sure you react to his videos from now on, okay? Good. It's too late for that, Spyro. You're watching it again. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. It's too late. You're watching it again, Spyro. Hello, everyone. This is Classic Sonic here, and today I'm gonna be reacting to all of the Super Mario Cartoon Mania videos. And if I don't react to all of his videos, Mario will force me to react to the red THX logo. And so I'm just gonna react to all of his videos instead of watching the red THX logo. And if I'm not watching all of his videos, it will appear to me that 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 it will put me in the THX logo and it will hurt my brain. The red one. Yeah. So now let's continue watching this. Whoa! 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 All right. All right. Whoa! There's Kagure and there's Thomas. Whoa! Text the robot made it. All right. Okay. Oh, all right. All right. Whoa! Oh no! 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 Ow! 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 All right, guys. So today I'm gonna be reacting to is Kagure Cat mess up Abby's hair, and Kagure Cat can't answer Abby's question. All right, let's start the video. All right. All right. It should be loading any time now. All right. Just start over the video again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Not again. All right. The last one. All right. Oh, my eyes. Oh, my eyes. My eyes. I mean, my ears. My ears. Oh. Finally, I'm done now.